kakantahin ko ngayon mga idol ay Philippine Geography kasi itong si Idol Walker Vlogger, nililimot niya ang bansang Pilipinas. Kaya sabi ko, napadaan siya sa akin, ito na pala ang taong hinahanap ko. Na ako'y naghahanap talaga ng gitarista para makanta ko nga yung mga kanta ni Uncle Yoyoy. Pero ito na, Philippine Geography ang kakantahin ko ngayon mga idol. Philippines has its great history according to our geography. Manila is the capital city, dating queen from the other country. Metro Manila, Quezon City, Caloocan, Pasay, Makati, Marikina, Pasig, Sacote, Malabon, Las Piñas, Parañaque. From the north, Batanes, Apari, Ilocos Norte, Isabela, Cagayan Valley, Mountain Province, La Union, Baguio City, Nueva Ecija, Nueva Vizcaya, Tarlac, Pangasinan, Pampanga, Zambales, Bataan, Abra, Bulacan, Cavite, Batangas, Laguna. Now let's go to the southern Luzon, Camarines Norte, Quezon, Albay, Camarines Sur, Catanduanes, Masbate, Sorsogon, and we have 3 islands more, Mindoro, Marinduque, Romblon, then down to Visayas Shore, Pimos, Apisiag, at Coconut and Corn. Cebu, Mactan, Mandawi, Bohol, Samar, Leyte, Iloilo, Capiz, Aklan, Antique, Palawan, Negros, Bacolod, Siquijor, Dumaguete. Now let's go to the land of promise, the land of Mindanao, Bukidnon, Zamboanga, Misamis, Mambaho, Butuan, Agusan, Surigao, Cagayan de Oro, Iligan, Osamis, Anditrip, Provinces, Davao, Davao, Solo, Oriental del Norte, Cotabato, Lanao, Solo, Tawi-Tawi, Philippines has its great history.
Pagod pa yan, galing pa ng summer yan.
Manila is the capital city. All tourists are invited to see. According to our geography, Philippines is a beautiful country. Ito na, ang hinahanap kong tao.
Galing!
Ito
Ay,
na.
ito! Quality!